Hey everybody, we've got Ashley here. She's one of my awesome practice members, and we are going to show you guys what it's like to get an adjustment in the office. So Ashley, we'll have you lay face down on the table. So right now we're doing leg checks. When I bring the legs up like this is stressing the joints in the lower back pelvic area. It's helping me to figure out what's the main bone to adjust in Ashley's spine today. Today we are going to take the sacrum with the drop table. Drop tables allow us to use gravity and the weight of the body to move that misaligned bone back into place. So it's just one of the many techniques that we have to help people get their spine into better alignment, take the pressure off the nerves, which allows them to heal better, function better, and be healthier. Excellent adjustment. This one right here. Let those arms drop down. You got them. Give me a nice deep breath in here, Ashley. Let it all the way out. Beautiful. Good job. So that adjustment right there will improve the function of the nerves that are heavily involved in the function of the immune system. Which it being September, it's a good time of the year to get an immune boost. We're going to have you turn on your back here today. Excellent. Very good, Ashley. That was a good one. That was C1. That's right up by the brainstem. An important bone to keep in place, allowing those nerves to talk like they're supposed to. We're going to have you turn back on your stomach one more time. And right now we're just going to do a double check on her sacrum. We're going to have her lock her knee, lift that leg up in the air as high as you can. Good. Drop her down, pick up the other. And that's a little low, so we're going to cross that one over that one at the ankle. A couple more drops will help knock the rotation out of the sacrum. Uncross her. And pick that up again. Excellent. Other side. Boom. There it is. All right, Ashley, that is all we got to adjust today. How did I do?
Good. Good. Always. It's always good.
I appreciate you. So guys, that's what an adjustment is. Get yourselves in here, get it checked. Your spine is very important to your health. If you don't have a healthy spine, you don't have a healthy body.